Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Costco Wholesale Shopping and Membership app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Costco is a wholesale shopping app designed for members who want to save on groceries, electronics, appliances, furniture, and more, all in bulk and at warehouse prices. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse exclusive deals, shop online, manage memberships, and even track orders directly from their phones. It also supports same-day delivery, curbside pickup, and digital membership cards for easy in-store checkout. The app's main feature is its member-only savings section, where users can view weekly deals and apply instant coupons with one tap. The interface is straightforward, letting you filter items by department, find local warehouses, and check product availability in real time. Costco also offers personalized recommendations based on your shopping habits. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's exclusive discounts, bulk value, and smooth order tracking system. It's especially helpful for families, small businesses, and anyone who prefers to stock up on essentials while saving money. The digital membership card and barcode scanning features make in-store shopping faster and more convenient. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional glitches during checkout, slow loading pages, or delivery service limitations in certain regions. You'll also need a Costco membership to access full features and discounts, which might not be ideal for occasional shoppers. In summary, the Costco app may be worth using if you're a frequent bulk shopper who values convenience, savings, and a wide variety of products in one place. However, if you're not a member or prefer smaller quantity purchases, it might not be essential for your shopping needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.